Hello everyone, Ian here at AbelCine in Burbank, and today we're checking out how to load and name your scene files for the Panasonic EVA1. Here on the desktop I have the private folder in a zip that has the scene files. I'm going to open that up, and behind it here's the private folder. This has the scene files in it, and here is my SD card that I formatted in the camera. Open that up. You're going to see that there's a private folder there as well. I'm going to take the downloaded private, put it into the root menu, and I'm going to replace. Let it do its thing. And now, just to confirm, I'm going to scroll down here, and we should see some scene files. And sure enough, there they are. Now we're ready to go ahead and put this back in the camera. Opening up the menu on the camera, first thing I want to do is I want to pull the file off the SD card and load it into the settings on the camera. So I go to File, Scene File, Load. I'll take Fashion 2 and put it into Scene 1 first, placeholder for a look in the camera. And I set it. Okay, it loaded, great. Now I want to back out of here, and I'm going to go up to my scene file settings, and I'm going to go to the name edit tab, and I'm going to take the preset name out, and we're going to type in fashion. And the cool thing about this LCD is that it's also a touchpad for spelling, for adding data in. There we go, back to numbers, fashion 2, enter. And now I have it. Let's go to the home screen and verify. Calling up the home screen confirms that our scene loaded is Fashion 2. That wraps up our look at how to load and name scene files for the Panasonic EVA1. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the scene files.